Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I'm going to give you my thoughts and my impressions on the Nokia 7.1 after 2 weeks of using it. But before I get into that video, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video, I'm going to give you my thoughts and my impressions of the Nokia 7.1. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now, so I've definitely been putting it to the test. Did a camera review, gaming test, put it against my V40, but I want to just give you my thoughts about it. I want to tell you what I really like, and then there's a couple things I've been noticing about the phone that may be a deal breaker for some people out there. Remember, it's $349. Yes, you can get it from Amazon. I will have the link in the description if you want to pick it up. But definitely, I'm going to get into this video. The first thing I want to bring up is the display that I like. It's a 5.84-inch LCD display, 1080p. So yes, it's not a Quad HD display, but look at it. It looks really good. It has a resolution of 2220 by 1080p. But when you're watching YouTube videos on it, or even Netflix, I have no problems with it. The colors look really bright. Look at it. Bam, look at that display. Now, it does have a big old chin. And it has a 2018 notch on there. Is that notch as big as some notches out there on other phones? Nope. But it's definitely there. But the display looks great. I like the display. The next thing I like about the phone is the battery life. I've been getting about 6 to 6.5 hours of screen on time, which is not bad overall considering the battery size and the processor on this thing. And I'm also getting around 19 to 20 hours between the charges, which to me is great. Could it be a little bit better? I guess so. But to me, that I will take that on any flagship, any phone I get. I can't get more than 24 hours on the phone. I don't know how other YouTubers do it with these flagships. I wish they would share that secret. But to me, this battery life has been really good. If you had the Nokia 7.1, let me know in the comments what y'all's battery life has been. So maybe mine's a little worse or better than yours. Definitely let me know. Also playing games on it. As you can see in this video right here, I did a gaming review. I'm going to post a whole video in the description, and on the right, you can see that whole video. But check out this gaming review. Look at it. I had no problems playing games on it. It didn't lag on me. It didn't slow down. The phone didn't overheat at all either. And I thought it did overall a pretty good job. Even the speaker shocked me on this when I was doing the gaming review. But what y'all think about it right now, let me know in the comments. Now, one thing this phone doesn't have a lot of, and I guess because it's Android 1, it's basic Android. It doesn't have a lot of features on there. So if you're looking for a feature-packed phone, this phone may not be for you. But overall, I'm enjoying the Android 1 experience of it. But I'm going to get into a couple things I've been noticing about my overall experience with the phone. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about that I really like about the phone that has impressed me a lot are these cameras. The rear cameras, you have a 12 megapixel and a 5 megapixel camera on the rear. You have an 8 megapixel camera in the front. Check out these photos I did right here. During the day, they take great pictures. During low lights can be a little hit and miss, you know, but definitely during the day, this phone has been really impressive with the cameras. You can check out my camera review on the top right. I will link it right here. You can definitely see that this cameras have some great features on it too. You can check that video out. You can see the picture-in-picture video, which is pretty cool. I can vlog with that. You can see my face and what I'm seeing at the same time. That is actually a pretty cool feature with the cameras. I like that a lot. But let me know what y'all thought about the photos I had in this video. Like I said, the cameras have really impressed me. Now, the thing about it too, on the video, it can shoot the same 4K 30 frames per second as a $900 phone. Google Pixel 3 XL maybe, but I'm not saying nothing about that. Yes, it can shoot in 4K 30, 1080p at 30, just like that $900 phone too. $349. The video comes out really good too. Like I said, check that out also. Let's move into a couple things I noticed about the phone I don't like and my overall experience using it as a phone. Messaging on here is great. When you talking on the earpiece is great. The thing that's been a little disappointing is the speaker itself doesn't get that loud, especially when you're making phone calls using a speakerphone. It really sucks. It's horrible. Don't do it. Buy a Bluetooth, I guess. But here in where I live at, you can't really have the phone in your hands while you're driving, which you shouldn't have it anyway. I don't like wearing Bluetooth when I'm in the minivan. I like focusing, so I can put it on speaker, I can talk. With this one, it's really hard to hear. It doesn't get loud at all. That's the one complaint I have when using it as a phone. It's just not overall the best experience. The other thing I've been noticing is a little bit of lag in how much time it takes to open certain apps. So hopefully when I show this on camera now, so if I go to ESPN, I won't cut any of this out. You can actually see how long it takes to open up some apps. I'm not cutting none of this out. This is actually how long it takes. Doesn't matter if I'm on Wi-Fi or anywhere else. Shout out to LSU, killing Rice, 28-3. Go Tigers. And you can tell I don't have any apps open, so it's only that app. ESPN. As you can tell, look, I'm not gonna cut out any of the video. Takes a while to even process. One thing I've been noticing too for the last couple of days, even if I go to, but when I go to Instagram, it takes a little while to load too. Is that a deal breaker for you? Y'all let me know in the comments. Compared to my flagships, yeah, it takes a while. As you can see, the stories don't load up. But another thing I noticed is starting to see that little lag, the little jump right there. Yes, I know you're not supposed to scroll, but I don't know. Y'all see it? It's getting on my nerves, to be honest. I don't know why it's doing it, but it definitely has a little lag in there. Even on Facebook. I'm going to put everybody on blast. So as you can tell. So there's some lagging going on here. I don't know if it's the processor. I don't know if it's Android 1. As you can tell, I only have a few apps open. So that has been the biggest problem I've been noticing with the phone. Even if you go to like Google. Look, LG V40 ThinQ, great phone. Is that a deal breaker for y'all? Do y'all see that little bit of lag, stutter? Y'all let me know. Wolverines won. Shout out to Big Blue. It seems to be happening more and more. LTE, Wi-Fi, doesn't matter. So that little bit of lag has been happening. A little bit of stutter. It takes a little bit longer to open up apps. Y'all let me know in the comments, is that a deal breaker for you? It's starting to get on my nerves, to be honest, but I just want to point it out to you. But overall, the phone has been great besides those little hiccups. Y'all let me know if y'all think an update could fix those stutter problems. I don't know. Maybe it's just the processor, the Android 8.1 on here. I don't know what it is. But it has 4 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of storage, so it should run a little bit smoother than what I just showed y'all. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. So to wrap up this video, overall, I'm enjoying the Nokia 7.1. I'm enjoying the cameras. I love the display. Battery life has been good. Playing games are great. Like I said, the speakers actually shocked me on that one also. That lag is getting to me though, I'm not gonna lie. The speakerphone also irks my nerves. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this video. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Nokia 7.1. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.